Mr. Jay Lani.
And I am teacher Melanie.
Before we start our discussions for today, may I request Mr. Ganyal for our prayer today?
Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Okay, please say present if your family name is called. Ayok, Balansag, Tinoy, Melendez, Lima, and Vanilla. So, very good. There is no absent for today.
Okay, before we start our day, let's do some warm-up to energize our body and to avoid injuries for our upcoming activities. Okay, follow my lead.
Now that we are all warmed up, let's play a game before we start our discussion. The game is called Dribble and Pass Relay. Okay? So, instruction, the class will be divided into 4 groups through counting. Each group will be given 1 ball. Each group will form a line. And the first person in line will dribble the basketball from the starting point to a designated goal and back. Once they return, they will pass the ball to the next person in line. The group that finishes first with all members completing the task properly wins and gets plus points. So are you ready to perform? So let's start.
So now, who has any idea what will be our topic for today? Yes, Miss Lima? How about this side? Okay, actually all of your answers are correct. Our topic for today is all about dribbling in basketball.
So we have 3 learning objectives. First is to understand the definition and purpose of dribbling. Next is demonstrate the basic techniques of dribbling, low, high, and crossover dribble. Last is develop hand-eye coordination and ball control. Okay, dribbling. What is dribbling? Anyone who has an idea what is dribbling? Yes? Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Okay, dribbling is the act of bouncing the ball with one hand while walking or running. This helps you move while keeping control of the ball. So, there are 3 basic types of dribbling. The first is the low dribble, next is high dribble, and last is crossover.
Let's start with low dribble. What is low dribble? This is used when a defender is close. The ball stays low and near the ground to avoid being stolen.
This dribble is used when a defender is near. The ball stays near the ground to avoid being stolen. This is low dribble. Switch.
Next, we have high dribble. This is used when you are running fast and no defender is near. The ball is bounced at waist level.
This dribble is used when you are running fast and no defender is near. The ball is bounced height of your waist.
And lastly, the cross over dribble. This is used to change direction. You dribble the ball from one hand to the other. It helps you move past defenders by switching direction quickly.
This dribble is used to change direction. You dribble from one hand to the other. This helps you move past defender quickly by changing direction. This is crossover dribble. That's how you perform crossover dribble. Always remember, use your fingertips and not your palm. And always keep your hand up so you can see the game. And keep your knees bent for better control. Like this.
Now that we all know the types of drills, we will now proceed to our drills. This activity will help you become more confident and quick on the court. So are you all ready? Okay. We will be dribbling in a zigzag pattern across the court. This will help you learn how to dribble while changing direction.
Good job everyone. You all did a great performance. So now let's do a quick cool down to avoid unnecessary fatigue.
Okay class, that's the end of our topic and activity. But before that, let's have a short recap or a review for what we'll be having a quiz later on. Okay, again, what is our topic for today? How about the 3 types of dribbling? Very good. Seems like you're ready to answer our quiz. So kindly get 1/4.
Okay, for your assignment, please practice the 3 types of dribbling at home. Okay?
So is there any question, clarification, or any violent reaction?
If none, thank you for your cooperation and see you next meeting. Again, I am Teacher Mark.
I am Teacher Jay Lenny.
And I am Teacher Melanie.